What's the meaning of controversially? Controversially. Controversially.
Controversially. Controversially. Controversially refers to something that is likely to cause disagreement or argument among people. It suggests that the topic or issue in question is contentious and can be viewed from various perspectives, leading to different opinions and even heated debates. The result of a controversial matter is often ambiguous, with no clear consensus or agreement among parties involved. People may hold diverse views, making it difficult to determine a single, objective outcome. Therefore, the term controversially implies a level of complexity and uncertainty around a particular subject.